Hey guys, welcome back to Resist the Grind. Today we're in for a special treat. We're going to climb the lighthouse. Usually it's closed in December, but they've opened it up this year. So I got a ticket this morning, had to get up at 7 a.m., get online and found my ticket. After that, we're going to go see a shipwreck. It's a sailboat that's been run aground for about a month now. We're going to cook some Mediterranean gyros. I bought them at Aldi and I wanted to try them out. So we're going to cook those out the back of the Jeep and then head to the US Lifesaving Station at Oregon Inlet. Originally constructed in 1872, the lighthouse replaced an earlier, shorter version that struggled to guide ships safely through the treacherous waters of the graveyard of the Atlantic. One of the most striking features of the Bodie Island Lighthouse is its distinctive black and white horizontal stripes, giving it a unique and easily recognizable appearance. It's been quite a while since I've actually climbed this lighthouse. I'm looking forward to doing it again. It's a bit overcast, but it should be a wonderful view.
The lighthouse is original, so the original brickwork, main bricks came down from Baltimore. The spiral staircase is free floating, which means it's only attached to the base of the lighthouse at one point, and then at each of the successive 9 land. They used the pig lard for a couple of years, then they switched over to kerosene. They stored the kerosene outside. Then in the early 1930s, they put a generator right over there. So then they electrified the lighthouse. When you get to the top, you're going to see a first order Fresnel lens. It's original, 1872, made in France. Came over, still in use.
There are 214 steps that wind their way to the top.
So once you get to the first landing, you can keep going, as long as you yell clear. Right down in the top. Yep. Take your time, enjoy the walk.
Ho, ho, ho!
That was a lot of stairs, but trust me, the view up here is absolutely worth it. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just looking for a unique day trip, Bodie Island Lighthouse has something for everyone. Don't go anywhere. We still have to go see that sailboat that ran aground, make some lunch, and visit a US Lifesaving Station. We're going to go check out this sailboat that has run aground. It's stuck on the beach. This 52-foot sailboat ran aground in late November of 2023 and has now become part of the graveyard of the Atlantic. Okay, let's make some lunch. Okay, time to do the Aldi Chicken Hero taste test. That's good. Okay, I've always wanted to go check out this building. It is an old Coast Guard station. It's been closed down. There's rumors that it's going to be torn down or moved. So I wanted to stop by and see it before it's gone. So let's check this out. This building was home to ocean surf rescue crews from the late 1800s up until 1988. Still looks in relatively good shape. Would love to be able to go inside. Currently, the future of the life-saving station is uncertain. It is hopeful that they will be able to move it and preserve this historic building. The modern US Coast Guard Life-Saving Station is on the north end of Oregon Inlet and pays tribute to the US Lifesaving Stations of the past. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, every day can be a new adventure.